Hey guys, welcome back to another custom ROM review for Redmi Note 8. So today we have Evolution X ROM, which is based on Android 16. So I was a really big fan of Evolution X ROM, but currently the ROM is not doing that well. So the version we are using here is Evolution X version 11.9. The security patch level is July 1st, 2026. So I have been using this build few days now. It has a lot of issues. I'm not really recommending anyone to install this one. But anyway, let's see what we are getting here. The control panel, as usual, what we get with OSP based ROM, but we do get here the volume control. With Evolution X ROM, we get the option called Devolver. So here you get all sorts of customization options for your ROM, and you can customize your device up to your liking. So you can go through them. In terms of network connectivity, so Wi-Fi is connected, and if we try hotspot is working, so you can share your Wi-Fi data using hotspot. In the connected device option, we get other options like Bluetooth, cross-device option, Google Cast, printing, Chromebook, Quick Share, and Android Auto. Most of the network-related things works perfectly fine, no issue at all. In the app section, so default apps, clone apps, game space, screen time, sidebar, Bible, but no app lock. Notification. So these are the options you are getting. Pretty much similar to all other OSP-based ROM. Sound and vibration, working well, no issue. We do get Dolby Atmos, spatial audio, multi-audio focus, and part volume control. So everything is a Bible. Modes option is a Bible. Display. So we do get adaptive brightness, which is working well, no issue here. Dark theme, night light, all the typical settings are available here. Double tap to sleep and double tap to awake is working well. So no issue here too. In the wallpaper and style section, so this is QPR 2 based ROM, the UI as you can see here. So here you get a new option called theme pack, but you are not getting anything here right now. So new theme pack are coming. So the feature isn't available yet. Clock. So we do get few clock options here. We can change the color and size as usual. Shortcuts we can change. Notification and lock screen and more lock screen setting, all the typical settings actually. Colors, color contrast, icon we can choose. So icon shapes and layout. So these are the things you are getting here. In the wallpaper section, so you do get live effect, AI wallpaper, emoji workshop, and few other wallpapers. So in terms of wallpapers, you do get all the options. Storage. So the ROM is quite heavy actually. So it's going to take around 16-17 GB of storage, as you can see here. Battery. The battery backup is good. We do get a lot of features here, but fast charging is still not working. That's kind of disappointing. Other than that, it is doing well in terms of battery backup. System. So buttons option is a Bible. You do get a lot of options here. Keyboard, like translation, navigation mode, we can change to 3 buttons layout, gesture. So these are the options you are getting there. So a lot of things Bible. Also Xiaomi parts. So clear speaker option, vibration feedback, color calibration. So these are the things you are getting. In terms of security and privacy, so we do get both face and fingerprint unlock. Fingerprint unlock is working well, no issue. Fast and works each and every time, no issue at all. Of course, face unlock also going to work, but it will be slower side. Other options are available too, like privacy control, privacy dashboard, private space, advanced protection, more security and privacy. All the typical options are available. Location is working well, password and passkey, digital well-being, parental control, safety and emergency, and accessibility. So the ROM is sluggish side, it is heavy, so turn off all the animations to get a little better performance out of this ROM. So remove animation. Now it will work better. So this is a GF's build. We do get Google application here. And the camera application we are getting here is MIUI Camera, which is working, but it has the issue. So as usual, 0.6 is broken, so not working. Other than that, video recording and other things are working well, no issue at all. So that's okay. Also, you can use proper Gcam here. That's not really a big deal. In terms of phone call, so I did try phone call here. It is using Google's default dialer, so that is a big issue here. First of all, so call recording option is available here, but if you try that, it does not work. Although we are getting background call recorder with the ROM, but that is also not working. So that's kind of what we are getting here. But you do get VoLTE support. Video call option is available. So these things are working well. And unfortunately, the safety net is not available. That means bank apps, payment application not going to work. So setting and about device is not certified. In terms of Google Photos, so we are not getting unlimited storage for Google Photos. And if we try Magic Editor, that is also not working, or it is missing actually. So edit, and if we try action, as you can see here, no Magic Editor option or Magic Eraser option. That's what you are getting here. Also with the ROM, you do get few other application like Accord for music and browser, calculator and all those things. So in the setting, there is no app lock option, but we do get sandbox. If you want to lock any application, you can do it here. Weirdly enough, with this ROM, we are not getting any kind of circle to search. I don't know what is going on with Evolution X ROM. And lastly, in terms of gaming, so I did try Call of Duty in the default setting, as usual setting actually. I did not change anything here. The gaming performance is really bad. It was lagging a lot. There was FPS drop, and this is not really a good ROM for gaming. So obviously, if you are a gamer, don't try this ROM. Overall, although the ROM is working, but it is slower side, it has a lot of issues, and the animations are not really that good. So I would say don't try this ROM. But still, if you want to try this ROM, the ROM link is in the description below. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one.